up! Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
This is our first job together. What have you done? Oh gosh.
I completely wrecked my camera.
You guys want some Skittles? Woohoo! There you go. Share them.
You want some Skittles?
Oh boy.
Welcome to GoldenPeaks Productions Extras.
Benjamin, you have a wrapped car now.
I love it. Today we are actually headed off to the Crown Rally North pre-party in St. Paul.
Did you guys see the weather this weekend?
No, what is it?
Thunderstorm every day.
Nice. The best. Here or on the rally? Everywhere.
Well, here, but tomorrow we're basically in Minnesota all day. Until we get to Iowa.
Ben, what do we got going on? Bam. Right. Assembled. And once again, guys, thanks to our friends over at Moto Crane hooking us up with the PSC system here. It's a life changer. Do you want to show the viewers how precise we are at building this thing?
Open trunk. Oh, it didn't hit it. It's maybe 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters.
What's the heaviest thing you've ever lifted?
Low Cindy Black Arm. Ah, this thing literally weighs 145 pounds.
Sure it is.
What do you think, baby? That's right. Everybody meet my wife.
Hi,
Introduce yourself.
I'm Mrs. GoldenPeaks.
Oh my goodness.
Excited to have you on here.
I'm so excited. What up?
Who are you? Where are we?
How
do we know you?
My name is Toey, and we're at the St. Paul Airport, downtown airport, at this restaurant here. About to do some rally filming. Woo!
How does GoldenPeaks know Toey?
Oh, GoldenPeaks, we go way back to the beginning.
Jonah.
So this is a future film crew member here, but this is Elise. Say hi to YouTube, Elise. Say hello.
Your baby's adorable, Jonah.
Thank you so much. Like I said, she gets her looks from her mother.
So we are now here at the Crown Rally launch for North. We're actually at the St. Paul airstrip, and there's this sick restaurant behind this. We got the venue booked out for tonight. Food should be good. Cars are starting to roll in. We got about 15 minutes till the event actually starts.
Okay, team, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. What up?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What did you guys bring tonight?
Wine.
I brought one too. The women. Toey's wife, my wife, Ben's wife, and then girlfriend. We have a thief. It's only my boss.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
We're getting ready to shoot some more stuff, you know?
What's going on? You ready?
It's time to leave. We're done, finally.
Let's do it.
Good morning.
Sorry, I got lost.
You know what day it is?
It is Saturday.
It's rally day. I heard you driving around then, because I heard someone go around the Capitol.
I drove in here and it's like road close, and I was like, where did I go?
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. We're here at the state capitol for the Crown Rally 2021 North launch. Last night we had the pre-rally party. It was pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. The weather held out. We had the runway shut down, just had a great time. But now we're on to today's challenge, which is literally hours before we got here, there was still a protest happening. Local police department that we work with for all these launches helped escort everybody out. As of now, everything's peaceful, everything's clean. I think we have something like 80 troopers that are here on the ground just making sure that everything goes smoothly. So we appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping out. We're about 30 minutes away from cars arriving and putting the final last pieces in place. We're gonna be ready. That's when the fun starts.
Mr. Joey Novas. How are you?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good.
Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning to you.
Yes.
I'm so excited to drink your tasty coffee.
Do you want a chorizo burrito?
Yeah.
Or would you like a chicken burrito?
One of each?
One of each?
Yeah.
Who's chicken?
Well, one for wife, one for me. When you're ready to sell your Vipers, we'll be ready to buy them. We'll carry the tradition.
Yeah, when I'm ready to sell them is when I can afford a Kona seg, which is what Amy wants. So unless one of us starts an OnlyFans, that's not happening.
What up, vlog? GPP. We're out here, Crown Rally 2021 North. We were just admiring this R8 right here. We were thinking that we could probably go in on it, right? Halvesies or something like that. Maybe next GoldenPeaks car, so.
That'd be sweet.
If anyone is out there hoping to donate one, that would make it a lot sooner.
If you'd like to donate an R8 to GoldenPeaks Productions, just send us an email.
Send us an email.
We'll shoot you an address that you can come drop it off.
Yeah, we'll negotiate things, you know, like how much money on top of that you're giving us as well. We'll figure all those things out later.
We'll make a video on it too.
Yeah.
It'll be good stuff. What's going on?
Well, this is not an E90 M3, as you know.
Yep.
It's still an M3. It's Ben's car. We actually had Tim Pros wrap this last week, and we slapped on some stickers. Was kind of hoping that the E90 would be fixed by now, but it's not. And thanks to our friends at CRAY, we can adapt our camera system to any car. So just like the E90 M3, we've got the roof rack from OEM BMW that we built direct to. It comes through their PSC unit, and it goes down into a tow hook mount that we put together because we're good at making tow hook mounts now. And then we're flying the Flowcine Black Arm, Ronin 2, Sony FS5, the typical stuff. So we're about to launch. This is, they're doing driver's meeting. Ben and I are rocking this car. Grant and Toey are in your car, and it's gonna be go time.
It's go time.
First leg of the rally done. F80, amazing. Sounds good. Camera still works.
Man, look at us go.
I know. I love it.
The F80 looks so good in this color.
It sounds really good too.
Toey! Where are we going?
Second gear was just no bueno.
What's going on, boys?
Just do a little bit of a rewire because I keep getting tagged. So we just finished lunch stop, day 1 of Crown Rally.
We're just gonna bomb straight to Cedar Rapids because the route is all twisty cars.
Yeah.
Like, a lot of them left because we got to the lunch stop.
I heard a lot of people are going to skip a lot of the route and go straight to Cedar Rapids. So it'll actually be good for us to skip this first half of the curvy roads, go straight to Cedar Rapids, and then we'll catch them coming out of the curvy roads to do our roll-in shots into the city, right?
Yeah.
Josh, your 4-cylinder is too slow.
Oh, now you turn it back on.
We saw you first. Hi, Toey!
Broke one, went all the way back home, got another one, and kind of caught up, I think.
Did you buy this?
This one?
Yeah.
This is yeah.
Oh, this is your truck?
Yeah.
So you went home and got your other truck?
So we broke down, and we were at some nice farm guy's house or whatever, so we brought the truck in his shop, looked it over. I snapped a hardened bolt that holds the AC compressor on, so it was tossing the belt off. So it was just making the front drive a little out of alignment, so I kept throwing the belt. So I made the post on the Crown page, and Justin Olmeim saw it, and he works at Fury, and he was at work, and he said, I'm gonna send a lot guy with my demo to come get you guys, and I'll send you a tow truck. So my truck is at home. We went home first, jumped in this, threw our luggage, and it left.
Dang.
Yeah,
This is
awesome.
This is why we like Crown Rally.
Yeah, it's awesome. I mean, unbelievable, like, that we're back here already.
He was in the postal truck?
Yeah, we broke it, went home, got my daily, and came back.
Wait, no way! And he caught up to us. You know what you're supposed to do in parking ramps?
What?
Be really loud. Establishing.
We have now made it to Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We have came to our final destination here on Crown Rally North, day 1. I think tonight we basically just got a dinner party and it's just kind of chilling. It's 5:30 now. We skipped a lot of the second half after lunch because we kind of got held up the first half. So we've gotten here a little early so we can...
Hey Tony, say hi to the behind the scenes. Who are you?
My name's Tony Callan.
Yep.
And I know now it's completely screwed.
That's alright.
This is our first job together. What have you done?
I completely wrecked my camera, set it on top of the Gallardo because I was too excited, and we turned the corner and it fell off. So it went. Psh.
Oh no.
Yeah. So there goes that. But you know what? You live and learn. So.
Yeah, I've done that a few times.
Yeah.
Good morning, welcome back to Behind the Scenes. Ben got pulled over already. Just kidding, we're launching. Day 2, Crown Rally North. We're leaving, oh gosh. It is day 2, Crown Rally North. We're leaving Cedar Rapids. We're going to Hawkeye Downs for a track event. And then we end in Elkhart, Wisconsin.
That truck has shot fire every single time he's either shifted or let off the gas.
We're out here at Hawkeye Downs. We're trying to get all like 100 and some cars on the track.
I don't get stressed, but I feel stressed because everyone's like, go. And I'm like, what's the plan? And nobody knows.
Yep.
Hey, who are you? What are we doing? And why do I know you? And welcome to the vlog.
Hi, Brett Hoffender, Rally for a Cause Foundation, also a media driver for Crown Rally. I've got the amazing Josh Alex back there. I was looking at Josh's car. God damn it.
What is Josh doing way over there?
I don't know. Driving in circles.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, I'm Alex.
This
Welcome
is
to
the
Behind the
wonderful
Scenes.
Alex Bellis.
Great place to be.
You're working already.
I'm working.
How many photos are you turning live? Do you do all of them or like 90%?
So far I've done 150 photos edited from the weekend already.
Dang.
Yeah.
And it's only the second day.
The
third day,
the
technically.
beginning of the second day.
How many pictures have you taken total?
Thousands.
Yeah, Golden Peaks. Go media team. Yeah, media team. They're going so slow. Oh, we brought us snacks.
Yep.
Should we share with people?
We're gonna share with some people. We gotta find some children here. You guys want some Skittles? Woohoo! There you go. Share them. Yep. See you guys.
You want some Skittles?
Oh my God.